Welcome to another episode of Soupy Saturdays. Today I'm bringing you a bowl of rich, velvety tomato soup paired with crispy golden grilled cheese. Pure comfort in every bite. So let's start. Cut the tomatoes into halves or quarters, then heat olive oil in a pan, add the tomatoes and garlic and roast until nicely charred. Blend the roasted tomatoes into a puree. Now in a pan, melt butter and add the puree. Season with salt, pepper, chili flakes and fresh basil and let it simmer. Meanwhile, let's make our grilled cheese. Take the bread slices and add a generous amount of cheddar cheese. Butter both sides and toast until golden and crispy. Serve it hot with some fresh cream, basil and chili oil. Enjoy your warm bowl of tomato soup paired with that perfect grilled cheese. See you next time. Bye bye.